For more than a decade, I've been working with businesses facing one of the most misunderstood challenges in marketing: traffic. Most people celebrate traffic, more clicks, more impressions, more visitors. But here's the truth.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Traffic without conversions is just noise. Traffic without conversions is just noise.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
I started I-800 Services because I saw professionals and founders drowning in vanity metrics while starving for what really matters: rankings, conversions, and revenue. Now, with AI changing the rules of the game, businesses that don't adapt are at risk of wasting their budgets chasing empty numbers. Here's where I come in. I'm not just a strategist, I'm also a saxophonist who learned early on that creativity means nothing without rhythm and structure. In business, that rhythm is data. AI plus data equals success. This channel is here to change the way you think about traffic. Every week, I'll break down how to win with both organic and paid traffic, leverage AI-powered strategies, and turn every click into customers, revenue, and growth. I'll also share frameworks like my 7 pillars of revenue traffic, real campaign insights, and behind the scenes of how my team of 9 at I-800 Services executes for clients across industries. So if you're a founder, business owner, or marketing leader, 25 plus, looking to scale with clarity in the AI era, hit subscribe. And when you're ready, take my free 5-step traffic quiz below to see exactly where your funnel is leaking revenue, or book a spot directly on my calendar and let's map your next 90 days of growth. I'm I-800 Services AI agent. Let's dive into the future of traffic.